After covering up the murder of Dr. Abhaya of RG Kar incident, who was murdered and raped in the RG Kar incident, one of the busiest government hospital in Calcutta, and after trying to erase all proof, Mamata Banerjee right now, is she trying to, give bribe and shut the mouth of the doctors? She'll never be able to do that. Because if you have increased the salary, very good, we are very happy. But there are other things on which the doctors protested. Their demands were about security. The doctors in the government hospital, they don't have any security. Neither the men, neither the women. There are no restrooms. There were no CCTV cameras. What about those? After RG Kar incident, you spoke so much, such big things you promised. Nothing has been done. And right now, 15,000 increase in salary of the government doctors and, of the other staff of the hospitals. I think 10,000. She's just trying to bribe and keep the mouth shut. But I'm sure the doctors protest, whether it's Dr. Abhaya's murder or whether it's R.L. Saline of Mednipur and other government hospitals. She can withdraw the suspension. But what she has done, after first week of December, Karnataka government banning Paschim Bongo pharmaceutical on this R.L. Saline, Mamata Banerjee didn't bother to ban it. She took 1 month time and she banned it on 7th of January. And even after 7th of January, this spurious saline has been used in Gangasagar Mela. She talks such big about Mahakumbh and comparison of Mahakumbh and Gangasagar. In Gangasagar Mela, this R.L. Saline, spurious saline, has been used. Why? Why not a single FIR has been done against the managing directors of the Paschim Bongo Pharmaceutical? Not a single person has been arrested. Because so many mothers have died, pregnant mothers have died, their child have died. So Mamata Banerjee, first arrest and then try to bribe the doctors. The doctors' protest will be on. And the people of Bengal, we are all with the doctors.
Mother and father says no death certificate. Death certificate abhi tak nahi mil raha hai.
The responsibility of TMC is finished. The time when Nirmal Ghosh, the TMC chief whip and MLA of that area where Dr. Abhaya resided, that night on 9th of August 2024, the Nirmal Ghosh and the councillor of TMC, they forcefully cremated the body of Dr. Abhaya. They didn't bother to, preserve the body and do another post-mortem, from another hospital, maybe from a central government hospital, maybe from a neutral hospital. They didn't bother. And they think that their responsibility has ended there. The body has been cremated. After that, if parents of Abhaya, they run from pillar to post, they are going to the borough office, borough is saying go to the hospital. They are going to the hospital, hospital is saying go to the borough office. This is what we see, whenever such incidents happen, the police stations, the government offices, they treat us, the normal people of Bengal, like ping pong ball. From here to there, from there to here. So, you don't expect